Good morning, Lily. You are a little bit late today.
Good morning, Mr. Evans. I am very sorry for that.
Is everything okay with you? The bus was late again?
Yes, the traffic was terrible. I had to walk 3 blocks.
That is a long walk. You look very tired now.
I am a bit out of breath, but I am ready to learn.
That is the right spirit. Please go to the classroom quickly.
Is the lesson starting now? I don't want to miss anything.
It starts in 2 minutes. We are talking about Egypt today.
Oh, I love ancient Egypt. It is my favorite topic ever.
I know you like it. You have a very good memory.
I read a book about kings. They were very powerful people.
They were called pharaohs, Lily. We will see many photos.
Do you have the projector? I like to see big pictures.
Yes, the projector is ready. It is on my desk now.
I have my new tablet. Can I use it for notes?
Yes, that is a good idea. Modern technology is very useful.
I can draw the pyramids. My tablet has a special pen.
That sounds wonderful, Lily. You are a very talented artist.
Thank you, Mr. Evans. I practice drawing every single day.
Let's walk to the door. The other students are waiting.
Is my friend Sarah there? She was sick yesterday morning.
Yes, Sarah is in class. She feels much better today.
I am happy to hear that. We study together after school.
That is very good. Cooperation is important in our school. Please sit at your desk. Put your backpack on the floor.
Okay, I am sitting down. My backpack is very heavy today.
What do you have inside? Do you have many books?
I have 5 big books. I also have my lunchbox.
5 books is a lot. Your back must hurt a bit.
It is okay, Mr. Evans. I am a very strong girl.
Open your history notebook now. We need a clean page.
I am opening it now. Which pen should I use today?
Use a blue or black pen. It is easier to read.
I have a shiny blue pen. It writes very smoothly today.
Look at the map here. This is the River Nile.
It is a very long river. Does it have many fish?
Yes, it has many fish. It was very important for food.
The water is very blue. People lived near the water then.
Exactly. Water is life, Lily. They built cities near the Nile.
Did they have schools like this? Did children study history?
They had special schools, Lily. Only a few children went there.
That is very interesting, sir. I am lucky to be here.
Yes, education is a gift. We must value our time here.
I want to be a doctor. I need to study very hard.
You will be a great doctor. You are very focused and kind.
Thank you for your support. You are my favorite teacher, sir.
Thank you, Lily. Now let's start the presentation.
I am looking at the screen. The lights are going out.
Yes, it is showtime. Please stay quiet and listen. Look at this giant pyramid. It is made of stone blocks.
How did they move them? The stones are very, very big.
They used many clever tricks. They used sand and water too.
That is very smart of them. They were great ancient engineers.
Yes, they were very advanced. They studied the stars at night.
Why did they watch stars? Did they have big telescopes then?
No, they used their eyes. They used stars for their calendar.
Their calendar had 12 months, just like our calendar today?
Yes, it was very similar. They were very organized people, Lily.
I see a gold mask. Is that a real king's face?
That is Tutankhamun's mask. It is made of pure yellow gold.
It is so shiny and bright. It looks very expensive and heavy.
It is very famous worldwide. Many people visit the museum today.
Can we go to the museum? Can our class go together?
Maybe next month, Lily. I will ask the school principal.
That would be so exciting. I want to see real mummies.
Mummies are a bit scary. Are you sure you were brave?
I am not afraid, sir. I like to see old things.
Good, then I will try. We need a school bus.
I can help you, sir. I can write a letter.
That is a kind offer. We can write it together later.
Can I draw this mask? It has many beautiful blue lines.
Yes, please draw it now. Use your tablet or your paper.
I will use my tablet. I can zoom in on details.
Excellent! You are doing well. I will check other students. How is your project going? Do you need any help?
I am looking for facts. I need to find more dates.
Look at this digital library. It has many old documents.
Oh, this is very cool. I can see the ancient writing.
It is called hieroglyphics, Lily. Each picture is a word.
Look at this little bird. What does this bird mean, sir?
That bird is the letter A. It is very simple, right?
Can I write my name? Lily starts with an L.
Let's find the lion symbol. A lion is the letter L.
A lion for Lily. That is very powerful and very cool.
You are a brave lion. You work very hard in class.
I am finished with the drawing. Does it look like the king?
It is a perfect copy. You have a very steady hand.
Thank you, Mr. Evans. I used the gold color brush.
It looks like real gold. The digital colors are amazing.
I will save this file. I want to show my mom.
Your mom will be proud. She likes your schoolwork.
She is a history fan. We watch many history movies together.
That is a great hobby. You learn while you watch.
Is the lesson over soon? I hear the school bell.
No, that was the first bell. We have 10 more minutes.
Good. I want to finish. I am writing about the river.
Write about the farmland. They grew many green vegetables.
They had tomatoes and onions. I like onions on my pizza.
Maybe not pizza, Lily, but they had many vegetables. Let's go to the library. We need more old books.
This library is very quiet. I like the smell of books.
It is a special smell. It is the smell of knowledge.
Look at that high shelf. There's a very big book.
I will get it for you. It is quite heavy, Lily.
Wow, it is huge. It has many dusty pages.
This book is about archaeology. It shows how people dig.
Do they find gold coins or only old broken pots?
They find many different things. Every piece tells a story.
I see a photo of a tomb. It is very dark inside.
They used torches for light. It was very dangerous work.
I want to be an explorer. I want to find something new.
You have a curious mind. Curiosity is the key to science.
Can I borrow this book? I want to read it home.
Yes, you can borrow it. Take it to the librarian.
Where is the librarian today? I don't see her desk.
She's behind the shelf. She's putting books away.
Oh, I see her now. I will go to her quickly.
Don't run in the library. It is a place of peace.
Sorry, I forgot the rule. I am walking very slowly now.
Good, Lily. Respect the rules of the school.
I am back with the book. It is in my bag.
Excellent. Now we can go. The school day is ending.
Time goes so fast here. I enjoy your lessons, sir.
I enjoy teaching you, Lily. You are a star student. We are at the gate. Do you see your mom's car?
Yes, I see the car. My mom is waving at me.
Don't forget your homework, Lily. It is on page 10.
I will do it tonight. I will read the big book.
Don't go to bed late. You need 8 hours of sleep.
I know, Mr. Evans. I will be in bed at 9.
Good girl. Have a very nice evening at home.
You too, Mr. Evans. Do you have many papers to check?
Yes, I have a mountain of papers. Teachers work hard too.
A mountain of papers? That is a funny picture.
It is my history mountain. I must climb it tonight.
Good luck with your mountain. See you tomorrow morning, sir.
See you tomorrow, Lily. Be safe on the road.
I will be very careful. Goodbye, Mr. Evans.
Goodbye, Lily. Have fun with the pharaohs.
My friends, do you like school? School is a great place. You can learn many secrets. Repeat after me. History is my favorite subject. Very good. Now say, I love my school and teachers. You are doing very well. Keep practicing every single day.
Bye-bye, everyone. See you in the next lesson.
Goodbye. I am going home to my mom.
She is a very bright student. I am a proud teacher.
I am a very happy girl. History is so much fun.
See you tomorrow.